It really is. You know, Erin, I want to mention that when wind chill values get anywhere from about -28 to -39, exposed skin can freeze. You'll get frostbite in anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes of exposure. The stronger the wind, the faster that will happen. So,
cover up.
Hard to believe all of a sudden we're talking about things like this. This is how we fared today. Our high temperature was actually seen at midnight, -13, and throughout the day we kept slipping. We expected it to. This is without wind chill, okay? These are the actual temperatures. Most of the afternoon we were around the -20 mark and then continue to drop to -22. But the truth is that it feels a lot colder than that and will for the next few days. It's easy to see where the cold air is. Arctic plunge happening across the prairie provinces, pushing all the way into the southern sections of the U.S. and drawing itself eastward. So eventually this cold air is going to try to take over most of the region. Here's the culprit here, pushing down on Alberta as we saw yesterday. Luckily, because the high is centered more so over us, the winds have eased, and that's great news. When we're dealing with temperatures like this, we don't want any bit of a breeze, but still it's allowed that Arctic air to filter through. Now, in a couple of days, we're going to see a small low develop just to the lee side of the Rockies. That low will then pass through the province, and slowly but surely it will try to bring flurry activity back our way. Looking across the region on the radar, just a final flake or two in the area of Medicine Hat. As we move through the forecast tonight and most of tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. Here comes that low and the moisture with it. Come Tuesday, we'll start to see areas from Grand Prairie, High Level, Peace River, Wabasca into Fort McMurray and Fort McKay. They'll start to get the flurries. Then the flurries will start to spread into the Edmonton region and then south into the Red Deer region as we go Tuesday night into Wednesday. I'm not expecting a lot of activity with this, but there could be some in the air, and of course wind. It'll feel like -34 tonight. It'll feel like -30 tomorrow morning, and then by the afternoon it'll feel like -25. This is what it looks like around the province for tomorrow. Still sunshine, but cold despite that sun. Here then is a look at my 4-day forecast. We're looking at that sunshine to stay with us most of the day tomorrow and Tuesday until that system tries to move in. Erin, at this point it doesn't have a lot of moisture with it. That can change, but watch out for flurries in the air as we move through Wednesday. Windy conditions as well, and then by Thursday those flurries move into southern Alberta and leave us back in the sunshine.
And cold double-digit temperatures.
Unfortunately, yes.
All right. Thanks, Suzy.
You're welcome.
A nationwide cream cheese recall